Good morning to all. Today we are discussing the chapter 3 of geography. Okay, the chapter 3 name is Motions of the Earth. Okay, Motions of the Earth. Here motions means movements. Okay, now motion means movement. For example, observe me. Now I am in standstill position. That means stationary. Okay, now I am not moving. For example, I am moving like this. Okay, this is called as motion. Okay, now movement of a body is called as motion. So motions of the earth. Our earth also can move. Okay, our earth also moving. So the motions of our earth is classified into two types. That means our earth has two types of motions. How many types of motions? Two types of motions. Here I am writing the motions of the earth. How many types? Two types. Okay, in that the first type is rotation. Okay, the first type of motion is rotation, and the next type of movement is revolution. Okay, the first type of motion is rotation and the second type of motion is revolution. Here once again I am writing motion means movement. Okay, now motions means movements. The movements of the earth. The earth will move. It is not in a standstill position. Okay, now. So the earth has two types of motions. One is rotation and second one is revolution. Now let us discuss what is rotation, what is revolution. Okay. If you see here, this is our earth. Earth is moving. You can see the motion. Okay. Here, observe carefully. What is going on here? The earth is rotating about its own axis. See here, for example, this is our line. Okay, by taking this line as center, the earth is rotating. Okay, the earth is rotating around itself. This is one kind of motion. Okay, and this kind of motion is called as rotation. Okay, the earth is moving around itself. Okay, for example, observe me. Observe me carefully. I am moving about myself. I am moving around myself. Okay, this is called as rotation. Once again, observe me. I am moving around myself. Okay, this kind of movement is called as rotation. You can see earth is moving around itself. And here observe carefully, earth and this is sun. Earth is rotating around sun. Okay, now here earth is rotating around the sun in one fixed line. See here, the earth is rotating around the sun in one fixed path. You can observe this blue color line. That is one path. In that path means way. Okay, in this path our earth is moving around the sun. Okay, this path is called as orbit. Okay, orbit means the path in which the earth is moving. The path in which earth is moving around the sun. That path is called as orbit. And the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called as revolution. Okay, you can see the definition again. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called as revolution. Okay. See that revolution. Okay. Now observe here carefully. The axis of the earth. So, can you see this yellow color line? Okay. This yellow color line is passing through the north pole and the south pole. Okay. Here north pole and here south pole. Through these two poles, one imaginary line. This is one imaginary line. One imaginary line is passing through north pole and south pole. Okay, now this line is called as axis. Axis means what? The imaginary line. Imaginary line which passes through north pole and south pole of the earth. Okay, that imaginary line is called as axis. Around this axis, earth rotates. Okay, around this axis, our earth rotates. And you can see one pink color portion, pink color. Okay. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, just now we discussed. Axis of the earth is imaginary line and makes an angle of 66.5 degrees with its orbital plane. Orbital plane means, see here, earth is rotating around the sun. Earth is moving around the sun in one fixed orbit. See the borders. This is called one fixed orbit. For example, here sun. Okay, around this sun, our earth is moving. Okay, earth is moving. See this total area. This is a orbit. Okay. This is total orbit, and this plane, this total plane, okay, this total plane is called as orbital plane. You can see that orbital plane here. Okay, with this orbital plane, this axis makes 66.5 degrees. Actually, here the axis is straight now. But this is not straight like this. Always like this. The axis will be always bends with some angle. And here, this is orbital plane. Orbital plane. So this axis will make 66.5 degrees with orbital plane. This is one important point. Okay, 66.5 degrees. Do you understand this one? Observe this axis carefully. The original axis is like this. Okay, axis of the earth will be like this, and it is making how much angle? 66.5 degrees. With what? With orbital plane. This red color or pink color, whatever it may be. This is orbital plane. With this plane, this axis is making 66.5 degrees. Okay. You can see that 66.5 degrees. And observe this. This is the orbital plane. Okay. Orbital plane. The plane formed by the orbit. Orbit means the path. Okay. The plane formed by that path is known as orbital plane.